My name is Jay Harris. I anchor SportsCenter at ESPN. My experience with Carlos as a facilitator was surprising because I wasn't expecting the amount of engagement that he does with the folks that he talks to. It was kind of refreshing to see. He pulled off whatever veil was there, everything was gone. It was all vulnerable and encouraging people to do the same with the small groups. It was kind of cool. I participated myself. I think what surprised me the most was the amount of vulnerability that he had and the stories that he shared, especially dealing with his dad. It kind of, once you put yourself out there like that, people can't help but empathize and want to do the same in that setting if you ask them to, because you've already set the example that this is a place where you can share those kinds of stories and everyone will, I hate the phrase safe space, but essentially that's what it is. So I think that's what surprised me the most, and how people just took to it and did it and followed. What I enjoyed the most was learning more about him and learning how experiences relate. The things that he was talking about, I could look back in things in my life that I could go, oh yes, I remember when, and it made it more personable, more human, which made for a better session. I would say if you want someone who's real, who doesn't mind sharing, being open, wide open, for the benefit of the group, he's the person that you would want to hire, you would want to call, you would want there in your organization, in your school, in your chapter, wherever, because you're going to get a deep session. You're going to get some folks at the end going, I enjoyed that. That was cathartic. That was refreshing.